Oh, hey, didn't see you guys there. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is David with Side of Tech. Today, we're gonna be taking a look at an iPhone rig that you can build in your home, and we're gonna go ahead and film a little video on it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Hello from the studio, guys. A huge announcement. We just hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel. Let's go. You guys are amazing. So like I said in a previous video, I'm gonna host another giveaway when we hit 1,000 subscribers, and that day is now. So make sure you're staying up to date with me on my YouTube channel and as well as my Instagram. That's where I'm gonna go ahead and make the announcement for the giveaway. So if you guys like these type of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I really want to earn your subscription today. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'll have everything listed down in the description below, as well as all the products that I'm featuring in today's video. All right, so let's see what I kitted this thing out with. In any great camera setup, you have to have a great cinema rig. Let's take a look at this one here from Sandmark, who was very generous and sent me over their own rig. We have here multiple mounting points to attach any kind of accessories that you may need. Using a knob system that exposes 1/4-inch threads lets you mount anything that you want, including lights, microphones, tripods, any kind of video making gear. Your only limit is space. You also have a pivot arm where you can place your camera and get any kind of angles that you need, which I found very useful to use on those off-angle shots. The rig is super light, even though it's made out of solid aluminum, and the handles that it comes with gives you really great stabilization when holding it handheld. Having a really great phone case can also add to your experience, especially one that is equipped to attach lenses. Sandmark's leather case is made from full grain leather, but has a more rougher finish. That way you can use and abuse it. The camera bump is made from aluminum and also features threading for camera lenses. Since the iPhone 13 Pro already features really great camera lenses, I just use a Sandmark ND filter to help with the exposure, and filming in the hot California sun, this is essential. The case also comes with MagSafe, which will help with your everyday usage and makes it a phone case that you won't just use for your cinema rig. I also attached this light from Aperture, the Aperture M9. This will help you out in any low light situation that you might encounter, and is great because you can control the brightness, and it has a really small form factor, so you can bring it anywhere. Now in the sample video, we didn't really need a microphone, but if you ever do need one, this one from Rode is really amazing. This Rode VideoMic Pro can plug into your phone using the iPhone adapter, which makes it really simple to use. The last accessory that I used was the Manfrotto Pixie tripod. The best thing about this little guy is that it comes with a ball head, which helps tremendously if you ever need to place down your rig. Super small and compact, you can bring this thing anywhere and you won't have any problems with space. All of these accessories come together to create a really nice and compact camera rig. You can create amazing cinematic videos with just your phone. Don't believe me? Let's go on a hike and see what we can create. Oh, still here? All right, guys, so first thing is we need to take an establishing shot with our rig. So let's do that now. Oh wow, since you guys are still following me, let's talk about the next shot we need to get. Now let's talk about B-roll. So with this rig, it makes it super easy to get B-roll. Just set your iPhone to either 60 frames per second, or if you want to use the slow motion, you can use that. But we'll set it to 4K 60 on here, and let's see what shots we get. All right guys, now that we filmed some of our B-roll, let's work on the rest of the hike and let's work on that final shot. All right guys, now that we got that final shot, let's go on home and work on the video. All right guys, so we're back in the studio now. Now we're going to be editing the video. First step to any great video is choosing the appropriate track. So let's go ahead and see what we can find on Epidemic Sound. I like this one. Since the setting is more about nature, let's make this track a little bit of a more chill vibe. So let's go with this track. This track sounds pretty good. All right guys, so now that we have our song set, let's go ahead and set in all of our clips and rearrange them. But make sure you spend your time with this part. This is the most crucial. Okay, so now that we have all of our clips set in place, this is the part where I usually like to do my voiceovers, but in this instance, I'm not gonna record a voiceover. So let's go ahead and skip that part and let's go into one of my favorite parts of editing, and that's the sound effects and special effects. All right guys, so now the clip is now complete. Let's take a look at our masterpiece. Alright everyone, now I hope that you can see what type of videos you can create with your cell phone. So I'm filming with a Canon R5. That camera costs almost $4,000. Yikes. This whole rig here cost me under $300, and this configuration here with just the light and the rig itself, it's even half the price. Now I'm sure you know you're not going to get as many features as a full frame camera, but you can still get something that's definitely professional enough and will definitely still look good to the average consumer. Gear is definitely still important, but it's not the end all be all of the final product. Those fundamentals and your editing rig are definitely the most important part of this whole entire process. And who can resist this compact little rig? Alright guys, I want to thank you so much for watching today's video and for supporting the channel. I might actually be holding my 1,000 subscriber giveaway on Instagram. I'll go ahead and update you guys on YouTube and also Instagram. So just make sure you guys are following me on all those platforms. And if you guys love videos about everyday tech products, please don't forget to subscribe down below and join our little tech family. We are really growing, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it. And with all that being said guys, this is David, serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.